Hi guys, I'm Lorenzi and this is my first video in English. Welcome to my new channel. Probably you don't know me, but I am an Italian media buyer and also an Italian digital entrepreneur. In the last 10 years, I spent a lot of time, a lot of energy to really understand what works in the media buyer world. And also, I helped a lot of people to become a successful media buyer, and also I helped a lot of business like info business, e-commerce to scale their result with advertising and marketing. This is my first video for you guys, so please be kind if I make a lot of mistakes during my speech, but I really sure that I will improve my English during every video I will upload in this channel. And also, if you like topics like marketing, like advertising, please be sure to subscribe on this new channel because I will upload a lot of videos. And why I decided to open this new channel in English. Probably you don't know me, but in Italy you can do a search on Google, for example. You will discover that a lot of people, a lot of newspaper, a lot of media talk about me as the most important expert in the media buyer world. So I really love this world. I really love advertising. I really love marketing. It's like a passion for me. It's not a job. And what I really wanted to do with this video, with this new channel, is to share what I do. What I do every day. How can I help your business? I wanted to share with you how you can become a successful media buyer, because probably you are on this video because you like topics like marketing, advertising, media buying, social media, and that's cool. But probably you are looking for an answer or for an help to become a media buyer or to really understand how the advertising works, because probably you wanted to start a marketing campaign but you don't know what is a buyer persona is, how to describe your client, or how to do, for example, a Facebook ads campaign or a Google ads campaign, or you tried but you are unhappy about the result. So I wanted to share everything about the media buyer world in this new channel, and I think I will upload one video per week just to start, and who knows, probably in the future I will upload more. So if you like topics like that, please subscribe to my new channel. I really enjoy to have you here. But I would like to spend a few words about me. As I said before, I'm an Italian media buyer and also an Italian digital entrepreneur. I won that award, probably you know them. This award came from clickfunnels.com, an amazing platform where you can build your funnel. And ClickFunnels is founded by Russell Brunson, probably you know better than me who is. And I won that award and I'm looking forward to win another award from them. So if you follow me in this channel, I will describe a lot of things that I wanted to do, okay? I will share with you what I really wanted to do to win the second ClickFunnels Awards. As I said before, in Italy I am the most expert in the media buying area. So I spent a lot of money on advertising and I managed in the years a lot of advertising budget. I work for companies like infomarketing.com, probably you know Mico Cosentino or Antonio Panico or Alessandro Gatti, on a lot of people, and probably you don't know because you never try to do advertising in Italy, for example. But Italy is a complex market because people are not so confident to pay online. They are also in love for the wired. They don't like to pay, for example, with PayPal or credit card. They use them, but a few parts of Italian, so you have to understand a lot of mentality tricks to understand how the Italian works. So, and I'm really sure that try to make, for example, 100k in Italy is not like do 100k in the English market, in the English area. It's more complex by my experience. And so I will share a lot of things, a lot of expertise, a lot of skills during my videos here. This is my first video, so I also hope to improve my accent because it's really Italian right now, because I currently live in Italy and I'm lost just a bit of international accent. So it will be an amazing journey, guys, and I will be more than happy if you would like to subscribe to this channel. So for now it's all, but please follow me because next week I will upload another video.